Welcome back, everyone. We will start our course of last section, Market Equilibrium. We have seen that when the price of a good rises, the quantity demanded decreases and the quantity supplied increases. We are now going to see how the price adjusts to coordinate buying plans and selling plans and achieve an equilibrium in the market. An equilibrium is a situation in which opposing forces balance each other. Equilibrium in the market occurs when the price balances buying plans and selling plans. The equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity demanded equals the quantity supplied. The equilibrium quantity is the quantity bought and sold at that price. The price of a good regulates the quantity demanded and supplied. If the price is too high, the quantity supplied exceeds the quantity demanded. If the price is too low, the quantity demanded exceeds the quantity supplied. There is one price at which the quantity demanded equals the quantity supplied. Let's work out what the price is. Figure 3.6 shows the markets for energy bars. The table shows the demand schedule from figure 3.1 and the supply schedule. If the price is $0.50 bar, the quantity demanded is 22 million bars a week, but no bars are supplied. There is a shortage of 22 million bars a week. The final column of the table shows this shortage. At a price of $1 bar, there is still a shortage, but only of 9 million bars a week. If the price is $2.50 a bar, the quantity supplied is 50 million bars a week, but quantity demanded is only 5 million. There is a surplus of 10 million bars a week. Figure 3.7 shows the demand curve and the supply curve intersects at the equilibrium price of $1.50 bar. At each price above $1.50 bar, there is a surplus of bars. For example, at $2 a bar, the surplus is 6 million bars a week, as shown by the blue arrow. At each price below $1.50 bar, there is a shortage of bars. For example, at $1 bar, the shortage is 9 million bars a week, as shown by the red arrow. Finally, let's talk about price adjustments. We've seen that if the price is below equilibrium, there is a shortage, and that if the price is above equilibrium, there is a surplus. But can we count on the price to change and eliminate a shortage or a surplus? We can, because such price changes are beneficial to both buyers and sellers. Let's see why the price changes when there is a shortage or surplus. Firstly, a shortage forces the price up. Suppose the price of energy bar is $1. Consumers plan to buy 15 million bars a week, and producers plan to sell 6 million bars a week. Consumers cannot force producers to sell more than they plan, so the quantity that is actually offered for sale is 6 million bars a week. In this situation, powerful forces operate to increase the price and move it towards the equilibrium price. Some producers, noticing lines of unsatisfied consumers, raise the price. Some producers increase their output. As producers push the price up, the price rises towards its equilibrium. The rising price reduces the shortage because it decreases the quantity demanded and increases the quantity supplied. When the price has increased to the point at which there is no longer a shortage, The forces moving the price stop operating and the price comes to rest at its equilibrium. Secondly, a surplus forces the price down. Suppose the price at the bar is $2. Producers plan to sell 30 million bars a week, and consumers plan to buy 7 million bars a week. Producers cannot force consumers to buy more than they plan, so the quantity that is actually bought is 7 million bars a week. In this situation, powerful forces operate to lower the price and move it towards the equilibrium price. Some producers, unable to sell the quantity of energy bars they planned to sell, cut their prices. In addition, some producers scale back production. As producers cut the price falls towards its equilibrium. The falling price decreases the surplus because it increases the quantity demanded and decreases the quantity supplied. When the price has fallen to points at which there is no longer a surplus, the force moving the price stops operating and the price comes to rest at its equilibrium. Above all are the contents of the fifth section. Then this concludes the whole framework of this chapter. It has analyzed the demand and supply in a single market. Our discussion has centered on the markets for energy bars, but the lessons learned here apply to most other markets as well. Whenever you go to a store to buy something, you are contributing to the demands for that item. Whenever you look for a job, you are contributing to supply of labor services. Because demand and supply are such pervasive economic phenomena, the model of demand and supply is a powerful tool for analysis. We will use this model rapidly because demand and supply are such pervasive economic phenomena. The model of demand and supply is a powerful tool for analysis. We will use this model rapidly in following chapters. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye, everyone.